Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Easy Art, where you can learn to draw pretty much anything and we just make it easy, okay? And today we're going to draw a dinosaur, a T-Rex dinosaur. And it's going to be very easy, so get your materials and make sure you're prepared. Remember that word, that means that we are ready for whatever we're going to do. So we're going to be prepared for art, so we need to have our paper. We need to have 2 pencils, 1, 2. We need to have an eraser in case we make any mistakes, and if you need to, that's okay. You can use an eraser like this. And I have a black marker to do my outlines, or any black pen works, or a black crayon, whatever you guys have is fine. And then of course, whatever colors you want to color your dinosaur, make sure you get your colors, your crayons, your colored pencils, any markers, whatever you want to color your dinosaur, get those ready too. Okay, we're gonna start. We're gonna do some pretty easy shapes here, okay guys? So first shape we're gonna do is gonna be a rectangle. It's gonna be kind of a fat rectangle, and then eventually we're gonna curve the corners off. But first we're just gonna do a light rectangle. So don't push down too hard with your pencil or do anything like that. Make sure it's nice and light so that we can erase easily. So we're gonna have a rectangle right here in the top middle of our page. We're gonna go a line across our page. And then down on the other side, and then across the bottom. Remember, nice and light, so we're not dark. Now this is going to be our T-Rex head. I know it's just a rectangle now, but it'll be a scary dinosaur soon. Okay? Next, we're going to start right here in this corner. We're going to do a triangle. Ooh, okay, so we're going to do a diagonal line all the way down the page to about here, okay? So let's do a light line down, diagonally down to about there. And we're going to come up here. So a line up to about here, not straight across, but we're going to go up a little bit, okay? Up. And then we're gonna finish our triangle at the top. Nice light line there. All light lines. Don't push too hard, guys. You don't need to push the pencil into the paper so hard that there's holes in the paper. Be very gentle. Alright, now we're gonna do the legs of our dinosaur and the arms of our dinosaur. So we're gonna do kind of a half circle. Alright, to the side, like a moon shape. So right about the middle of the dinosaur, we're gonna do a half circle like this. Kind of like a side of a moon, or a side of a circle. And then we're gonna do a straight line down. Straight line down. We're gonna give him some claws, so you guys can give him a couple jaggedy claws. They're kind of triangles. So 1 claw, 2 claw, 3 claw maybe. However you guys want to make your claws. And then we're going to do the line back up all the way to the tail. Okay? Now, next, we're gonna do, don't worry about this line, it's okay. We're gonna do that in a second. Next, we're gonna do his hands. Okay, so we're gonna do another triangle right here, kind of like a piece of pizza coming out of his body, like that. You guys see that? So a triangle out like that. Kind of like a slice of pizza. And we're gonna give him some claws on the end. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I just did some triangles on the end, claws, 3 claws. However you want to make them. You can make them big or small, however you want your claws. Okay, so you can see our body is kind of taking shape, huh, guys? All right, next we're gonna do a circle for his eye right up here in the top of his head. I'm gonna do a big circle for his eye, and then another circle inside for the rest of his eye. So a smaller circle inside, and then we're gonna shade it in except for a little bit of a white spot in the middle. Just like that. We're gonna give him a little nose hole so he can breathe out of his nose. And a little bit of a mouth, a little smile on his face. Little line going up. And then that's where we can put his teeth, guys. So let's put some sharp teeth for this dinosaur. We'll have his teeth come out, and they're just little V's. If you make a V or a triangle out of his mouth. There you go. All right, now what we can do is we're gonna get our eraser or this other eraser, and we're gonna make our dinosaur look a little bit better. We're gonna round off some of the edges, okay? So we're gonna erase the corner of the rectangles, and we're gonna erase the belly part here. It's a little bit sharp. We'll erase this. Okay, and we're going to erase the top of our triangle a little bit too. So just this part of his head and this triangle. Okay, so there's nothing there and there and there. You guys can see mine's empty too, so don't freak out. It's okay. And we're just going to curve the edges a little bit to make him look more like a dinosaur. So we'll do a rounded edge for his nose. All right. And then right here, we're just gonna round the edge for his bottom of his face. And the top of his head, we'll round that too, make it a curved edge. And now right here for we're gonna give him a neck, guys. Let's give him a neck, okay? So we're gonna do a curved line here down to his leg, to his arm. And then another kind of curved line to his back. Give him a neck. So we went curved down and kind of curved back towards this way. All right. And then his belly, we're going to curve his belly down too. Give him a nice round belly, guys. Perfect. Now we're gonna erase this line too in his leg. Remember, I forgot about that. Erase that. Fix it if you need to fix it. And we're good. I think I make this line a little darker. Now his part here, it looks a little bit like a triangle still, so I'm gonna erase this. And just finish it like that. So I'm just all I did was erase the back line, guys, and I just left everything else. Okay? Alright, so there's our dinosaur. Looks pretty good, I think. He's pretty cute, little guy. I don't know though, those sharp teeth, they might get you. Alright, so next thing, we're gonna outline our paper. We're gonna outline our dinosaur with our black Sharpie or our black marker or whatever you guys have, a black crayon. We're gonna go around all the lines with it, and then we're gonna color it all in, okay? And we'll speed through it so you guys aren't getting bored, and then we'll talk after. Alright, here we go. Okay guys, I forgot. We need to put a little bit of a back scales on him, some back spikes. So let's do that quick before we move on, okay? So I'm gonna do some spikes on his back. So we're gonna do some triangles on the top of his head, down his back, okay? So we're gonna go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, we're all set. So I'm going to continue coloring. Thank you. Here we go. Okay guys, we're all done. And that looks like a pretty awesome dinosaur. So I chose to go with some orange and green on my dinosaur. And I hope you guys chose some good colors for your dinosaur and it came out looking really good as well. And I hope you had some fun drawing today. And if you want to draw more and you want to get all the new videos, please look at the bottom and click that subscribe button and you'll be able to see all the new videos all the time, okay? And you can always draw and make it easy. So, make sure you guys show all your friends how you can draw and, teach your parents how to draw and just always draw more and more and more. And just, show your creativity every day. All right. And other than that, I hope you guys have a good day and take it easy.